Hello, welcome back. I'm Mr. Computer. I know you can remember me. In the last session, I was talking about what's an input device. Today, I've come with some of the input devices. By the way, I have a new friend. Welcome, Miss Keyboard. Hi, I'm Miss Keyboard. I'm a board with lots of keys or buttons on it. You can check your keyboard. It has a number of keys to enter alphabets, numbers, and special characters. I'm the most widely used input device. I'm so proud of that. By the way, how can you connect a keyboard to your computer? You can connect a keyboard to the computer through a cord or without a cord, which means through a wireless connection. Okay, I will ask my friend to tell you how input goes through the computer and becomes the output. Till then, bye bye. Thanks, Miss Keyboard. Okay, I will explain how input goes through the computer and becomes the output. I have a simple example. When you press a key on your keyboard, let's say letter A, the keyboard converts A into a number. This number comes into me as a binary number, like zeros and ones. Starting from this number, CP calculates how to display letter A. CPU requests step-by-step instructions from the memory, which tells how to draw letter A. CPU runs these instructions. CPU stores the result, letter A, in memory. Finally, this result is sent in binary number to the screen. Screen or monitor is an output device. Screen converts this binary number into tiny light and colors which makes up what you see. This is the final result. Though you can see this is as a simple process, it's not. To display each letter, a computer runs thousands of instructions. Starting from the moment your finger presses the key A. Okay, now we will move into pointing devices. Pointing devices. Hi, Mr. Computer. I can do three things with my hands. I can point something, draw and paint, drag something from one place to another using my hands. Do you know that these requirements made a way for the motion, position, and pressure sensitive input devices? Any location on the computer screen can be addressed by using the pointer devices. As the name implies, pointer devices are used to point to specific location on the computer screen. By moving the pointer device, you can move the pointer on the computer screen and thereby identify any point on the screen. Can you see my pointer on the screen moving along the text? Is it a ghost? No, no, no. It's not a ghost. It's my hand. I'm moving my pointer on the screen along the text by using my pointer device. That is my mouse. That is the simplest example that I have. My pointer device is the mouse. When I'm moving my mouse, my pointer on the screen also moving. This principle can be used to identify icons, buttons, and text displayed on the screen. By clicking a button on the pointer device, you could execute an icon click, button click, or text selection. Now I said my pointer device is mouse. There are so many other pointer devices. When I click a button on that device, an action should be happen. If the mouse, when I click left click, you can select. Here what happens. Watch me. Now I'm going to right click. Now I'm going to double click. This is not only for text. You can do it for the icons, buttons. There are so many other things displayed on the screen. Yes, Anne. Pointing devices made a way for people like you to tell me what to do using your body signals by moving a handheld mouse or similar device. Mouse, joystick, light pen, graphic tablets, touchscreen, touchpad are some of the pointing devices. Mouse. I have a mouse too. I can point and select things on the monitor, draw and paint, drag one thing from one place to another on the monitor. Basically, I can drag and drag something with the mouse. That's what I do with my hands also. The mouse converts the motion of your hand into a binary number. Mouse detects two-dimension or 2D motion related to a surface. The mouse pointer on the screen moves when you move your mouse. Earlier we talked about whatever the physical information comes from the outside world should convert into a binary number. Now, this motion of your hand, it is a physical information that comes from the outside world. So, it should convert into a binary number. That's easy. Most typical of the common mouse type is scroll mouse. It has two buttons and a wheel in the center of the two buttons. You can see right button, left button and scroll wheel between these two buttons. I can move a page up and down by moving this scroll wheel. It is just like a car wheel. You can go up and down. Now, I will show you how to scroll with the scroll wheel. Look, can you see? My screen is going up and down. What's that? It's because of the scroll wheel. It's so easy. You can find two types of scroll mouses: optical mouse and wireless mouse. Some scroll mouses are wired, which means mouse is connected to the machine with a wire. Scroll mouses with the wires are called optical mouses. It has a red light under the mouse. This light tracks the motion of your hand. After tracking the motion of your hand, the mouse converts this motion into binary number. Some mouses are wireless. You mean that wireless mouses are not connected to the computer. It communicates with the computer using signals, exactly the way the remote control of your television. Obviously, advanced features are expensive, so do the wireless mouses. Perhaps you would like for a wireless mouse because it is portable without tangling. Now I said you have two types of scroll mouses: optical mouses and wireless mouses. Wireless mouses are expensive than optical mouses.